Ever heard your cat making strange chattering noises while staring at birds outside the window? This peculiar behavior might have left you puzzled, but let's unravel this feline mystery together. Cats are innate hunters, and their chattering often signifies an intense focus on their prey, in this case the unsuspecting birds outside. It's an instinctual behavior that harks back to their wild ancestors, who relied on hunting for survival. As your cat watches the birds, every fiber of their being is concentrated on the potential hunt, resulting in the odd chattering noise. But why do they chatter if they're not actually hunting? Well, some experts believe this is a form of frustration or excitement. They're indoors behind a window, unable to pounce. This can lead to a buildup of energy that gets released in the form of chattering. Others suggest that it could be a mimicry tactic. By mimicking the sounds of their prey, cats might be trying to lull them into a false sense of security. Though it's not entirely clear if this tactic works, it's a fascinating possibility. So it's a mix of instinctual hunting behaviors, frustration, and perhaps even a bit of cunning strategy. One thing's for sure, our feline friends are full of surprises. So the next time you hear your cat chattering away, just know they're expressing their inner hunter.